Approximately 17 years ago, I was in a car accident and I got jostled around and my face hit the steering wheel and it caused damage to my teeth and whatnot. I started losing molars and other teeth. It just became a problem. And basically I'd lost all the teeth on my upper arch. And that affected me because I couldn't eat, I couldn't talk well, I was embarrassed. So I went to a way of getting dentures. I thought that would satisfy it. I was not happy. I'd had my dentures fall out while I was talking. That's not fun, you know. And it was just making life hard that way. I discussed it with my wife and I said, look, you know, I'm wasting money with the dentures. If I'd been smart, the $10,000 that I spent on dentures, I would have spent towards implants. And I'm just prolonging the problem. And then I finally met up with Dr. Cheema, and then I made a decision. It was quite easy. That day we settled it and went through it. It was very easy. I came in the morning. They took me back because they'd already pre-medicated me and whatnot, so I was kind of mellow. They sat me down and next thing I know, I woke up and I had these new teeth in, and I smiled, and my wife just started crying because she says she was so happy, you know. And I remember playing with the mirror with Dr. Cheema and showing, and he asked me, are these chitlets? And I said, no, they're not chitlets. So, it's now been 2 years. I smile more, I'm happier, I project a more positive image. My wife is happy for me just because she says, you've come back out of your shell. You were like this when we first met, and now you're back to normal. And all my health issues have been gone. I don't have any infections in my mouth, everything's fine, it's perfect. And it's been a very pleasant experience. It's really opened up things in my life back to me. I'm able to travel, enjoy my hobbies and whatnot, and I have a more positive attitude towards things because I don't have embarrassment. They look natural, they feel natural, they are mine. And they have good color. I didn't want it to look like it was white out in my mouth, and I didn't want this Hollywood brilliance that would look so fake. I absolutely have no regrets having done this. I have total satisfaction and whatnot, and I like the continued care that I've received now with Dr. Cheema, even after 2 years. I wrote him a nice letter. I thanked him for affecting my professional life, my personal life, my general overall mental health. He has helped. It's been a real game changer, real life changer. And I tell him thank you every time I see him. He's a Sharks fan, so I bought him a jersey. So yeah, we talk about hockey all the time, so yeah. If someone is thinking about it, they shouldn't think very long. It's a game changer. I mean, like I said, I would have done it years ago if I made the right decision at the time, but life does that to you sometimes. Sometimes you gotta go take a left to go to right. So I was brought to the right place, right office, right person. So.